Hello, in front of me I have OnePlus 9 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe up on the screen to open the app menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down and select the system. Here tap on languages and input, then tap on virtual keyboard. Here check which keyboard is a default keyboard. As you can see, it says Gboard, so let's tap on Gboard right here. Then tap on languages. And here we have list of languages available for our keyboard. We can tap on Add Keyboard right here to add a new one. And here we have list of languages we can use. There's quite a few, as you can see. Find the language you like to use. For example, Arabic and Egypt, like this. Here you can select the keyboard types by tapping on them. You can also select all of them if you want to. Well, I'm just gonna select the first one and then tap done. As you can see, now we have two languages on the list. We can remove the English language to make the Arabic default. To do it, tap on this edit icon right here in the top right corner. Yes, select the English language and tap the bin icon to remove it, like this. And now when we open something we can write in, for example Google, you will see that the keyboard is in Arabic. You can also have multiple languages and switch between them. To do it, let's go back to settings right here, add another language, maybe let's add the English back. Now we have two languages. And when you open something like Google, you will have the keyboard. As you can see, it's in Arabic, and we can switch it by pressing and holding on the spacebar, for example, like this. You will see the list of languages right here. You can select English, or you can tap on this globe icon next to spacebar to toggle between different languages, like that. You can also press and hold on the spacebar, open this menu, and here you can tap on language settings to open this menu right here. And that's how you change the keyboard language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.